rumor has it we'll be getting the official iPhone Ultra announcement at Apple's event on September 9th, but this is what we know about it so far, possibly from some early testers. The iPhone Ultra is going to be more of a passport style shape versus tall and narrow, and it's rumored to have either a 5.4 or 5.5 inch cover screen and a 7.8 inch main screen. Kind of reminds me of like a wide book, and it's only about 4.5 millimeters thick, so she is still very slim and can still fit in your pockets. The display crease where the phone folds, Jesus Christ, that is hard to say. But anyway, where it folds, it is allegedly completely invisible. Wow. Like she does not exist. Very, very cool if that is indeed true. And apparently apps will run more like they do on an iPad versus the iPhones we currently have, which makes total sense given the style of the phone. It'll have a dual camera setup, an ultra wide and a 48 MP main lens. There is no telephoto lens on this one. And also it will not use Face ID to unlock your phone. It's going back to Touch ID. Apparently the stuff you need for Face ID was like too big to fit onto the phone and still keep it really, really thin, which I am personally okay with. I do kind of prefer Touch ID over Face ID if I'm being completely honest, but that's just me. Okay, that's just me. And allegedly it's also not MagSafe compatible, which is a thumbs down for me. But most important of all, what is the price of this bad boy? Rumor is it'll be about $2,000. Will you be upgrading, or is this phone a pass for you? Let me know in the comments.